How's it going? My name is Tucker from Automotive. This right here is the 2023 Jeep Gladiator Rubicon. It is in the high velocity yellow color. So I'm going to do a quick video going over all the features and just an overall walkthrough. Let's hop right into it. Okay, so starting out front, it is going to have the plastic bumper with the red recovery points down here. Let you know it's a Rubicon. It's going to have the iconic 7-panel front grille. It's going to have the blacked out front grille. This one is going to come in the high velocity yellow, super eye-catching color. It really stands out, and because it is a Rubicon, it's going to have these hood vents up here, let the engine breathe a little bit as well. But overall, really nice front end. You know, it has the halogen headlights. And so let's move to the side. Okay, so starting on the side now, up front you got the Rubicon red decal right here, red and black, as well as the red and black accented badges right there. Okay, coming to the side now, up front has the Rubicon decal on the hood, as well as some red accented badges on the side, letting you know that it is the Rubicon if you didn't see the hood already. But coming to these wheels now, they're going to be 35-inch off-road tires, going to be perfect for anything: snow, rain, mud, off-roading. These are made for off-roading, so pretty much going to be able to handle anything that weather has to throw at them. These are going to be the paint match fenders, and it's going to have the black 3-piece hardtop. Gonna take just a few minutes. You can pop, these off and pop the back hardtop off. Now you got, the wind in your hair, top off in just a matter of minutes. Right down here, you're gonna have some rock rails. It'll be perfect. If you are off-roading, you hit a rock, it will make sure not to mess up your frame, anything like that. Keyless remote entry to get inside, and we'll move to the back to the bed now. Coming to the back now, you can see it has the recovery points down here. It's also going to have a tow hitch as well down there. Soft fold down tailgate, so it won't slam on you. And a nice spray and bed liner. This is going to have the standard 5-foot bed, as well as some lights on the side. So if you put anything in the bed at night, those will pop on so you can see what you're doing. Okay, so now for the interior. You're going to have some really nice leather door cards with the red leather stitching as well. Leather seats inside. The Jeep formats so you don't get anything dirty, whether you're off-roading, whether you just spill a drink, anything like that. Well, make sure not to get the carpet dirty. You also, this bag right here is going to be a protective bag for the hard top up front. You can just throw that in there. Don't have to worry that when it's off that it's going to get scratched. Just throw it right in there and it'll be all set. And we're going to finish off in the front seat, and you're going to notice right away that you're welcome to black leather and the red stitching all the way around in the interior. I think they did a really nice job kind of tying together the whole vehicle, especially when the whole vehicle is really orientated towards a more, sporty off-road feel. It has super well-equipped tires, super well-equipped suspension. This is the tow package, which I'll show in a second. But you come inside, you sit down, and it's really nice and comfy. Both front seats, and the steering wheel is going to be heated. So you have the remote starter, you can hit the remote starter, turn these on, and now it's nice and comfy in here, especially on a cold day like today. It's like 30 degrees out. Really just a nice feature to have, and something that is definitely more sport oriented. This is, as you can tell, top of the line, but let's chop right into it again. You're gonna see the red dash kind of, again, tying together all the red accents on this vehicle. On the steering wheel, you're gonna have some buttons. They're gonna be able to control the dashboard and kind of go through the settings, as well as the infotainment system, so that you don't even need to take your hands off the steering wheel to be able to control that. You're also gonna have your cruise control as well. But coming to that infotainment system, this is gonna be the Uconnect 4. It is gonna have a bunch of different settings for the vehicle. It's also gonna have Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, radio, Bluetooth, all that right here. Right in the middle, you're gonna have all your controls for the climate control. This is where you're gonna be able to heat the steering wheel and the seats. Below that, right down here, is gonna be the buttons for the tow package, sway bar, off-road, and you're gonna be able to control the drivetrain as well. And lastly, you're gonna have your shifters down here. This is gonna be an automatic, so you can throw it into drive. you also have all your options for high-low, 4-high, everything like that right there as well. And if you have any more questions that I haven't already covered, or you think that this Gladiator might be the one for you, please feel free to reach out at any time. Give us a call, come on in, take it for a test drive, anything like that. We're located over in Milford, New Hampshire, right off Route 101.